Mitosis by Jonathaniel, Isaac, and Katelyn. Have you ever wondered how you grow in height or how a cut heals? Well, mitosis is your answer.
Mitosis is a type of cell division that has the result of two daughter cells, both having equal and identical number of chromosomes as part of the nucleus. If you didn't know, the nucleus is an organelle that holds your DNA and genetic information.
The goal of mitosis is to make identical cells, but keep in mind that the cells aren't dividing all the time. Mitosis is used by plants and humans that's made available for growth, repair, asexual reproduction, and to make proteins. Also, mitosis does not undergo egg or sperm cell reproduction like another cell division called meiosis.
In mitosis, I like to remember a special acronym called PMAT. P for pro, M for middle, A for away, T for two. Prophase is the first phase of mitosis. This phase occurs when the nuclear membrane begins to disappear. DNA is organized in chromosomes, which is made of proteins. Then, DNA condenses into duplicated chromosomes containing the same DNA.
Metaphase is the second phase of mitosis. During this phase, the spindle fibers in the body cells guide chromosomes to move. The chromosomes then line up along the middle of the cell.
Anaphase is the third phase of mitosis. During anaphase, copies of DNA are separated and it travels to each end of the cell.
Telophase is the fourth phase of mitosis. In telophase, a single cell forms two nuclei, and each nuclei is contained with a full copy of DNA.
The life of chromosome.
May 17th, 2018. To my future daughter cell. I can't remember too much of my childhood, but all I know is that we all come from a parent cell. What's weird is that we look exactly the same. Basically, we have the same appearance and the same DNA. We're twins! May 22nd, 2018. To my future daughter cell. After that blurred chapter, I started to get a sense in things. For example, how we were starting to move houses. We named it Nucleus. Following that, I had a feeling that I sensed a twin coming along. We do everything together, like soccer, cooking, and photography. We basically have the same interests, and when we were kids, people got confused between who's who because we both look exactly the same, which is pretty funny. As we got older, we matured and grew bigger and bigger, so now we can't be mistaken like when we were kids. May 27th, 2018. To my future daughter cell. Prophase stage. It seems like my life occurs in certain events, or phases I should say. Before I matured, I called that phase prophase, because pro in prophase means before, and that's before everything climactic had happened. June 1st, 2018. To my future daughter cell, metaphase stage. Our moving day is near and I'm starting to get frustrated and anxious due to the fact that I'll be moving into another house. But that's just how life is. So, spindle fibers, or as I call emotions, act as a guide for me. I like to call this phase metaphase. I call it metaphase because I consider the first letter M as middle as in getting my life straight. June 6th, 2018. To my future daughter cell, anaphase stage. After moving out of our home nucleus, my twin chromatid decided that she wanted to part ways and start her own life, considering that we've been living together forever. I like to call this phase anaphase. I consider the first letter A as in when my twin and I move away from each other. June 11th, 2018. To my future daughter cell, telophase stage. In this phase called telophase, this is the time when my twin and I move to two different cities and start a new life separately. We began with two new and improved nucleus. The T in telophase is for two, and they move to two different houses. June 16th, 2018. To my future daughter cell. Our life is a continual process of phases. I like to remember it as PMAT, P-M-A-T, which is an acronym I have made. I am telling you this now so you know what lies ahead of you. Thanks for watching!